your pump operators frequently facing unscheduled pump failures or maintenance shortcomings that result in extended system downtimes? Do you wish for a solution that will help you assess, manage, configure and maintain all your pump infrastructure with better financial understanding under one glass pane? Tigernix enables the best intelligent pump asset solution via our smart mechanical asset software suite. With comprehensive insight into your pump asset behavioral changes and maintenance requirements, the investment profile tools of this solution provide a 10 years ahead financial viability report that helps you make confident investment decisions. We also provide the necessary IIoT-powered sensor technologies that will help your asset managers detect abnormal vibrations, shaft deflection or bending, unusual bearing temperature, plus other vital indicators promptly. Tigernix Pump Management Solution allows asset managers to evaluate pump operation and isolate inefficient pump performances due to misaligned pump sizes, aging pump components, imbalanced pressure and more. We can enable impressive visual pump inspection capabilities via a digital model of your pump systems that allows you to view current and predicted pump conditions, remaining useful lifetime, latest maintenance updates and more. The simulation technology will allow your asset managers to simulate events to learn whether your pump assets will lead to run-out conditions, face risks, failures or deteriorate faster in certain probable conditions. Tigernix Pump Management System is simply the unrivaled software to keep your pump assets long-lasting, high-performing, and at their best conditions at all times. Connect with Tigernix to learn more about our smart mechanical asset solution by mailing us at info@tigernix.com.au. Tigernix Pump Management Software, a simple solution to constantly keep your pump assets in their top-notch conditions.